Hey, welcome back to EaseText. Today, we're diving into something super cool and creative. Billie Eilish AI Art. Yet you heard it right. So, if you're a Billie Eilish fan and love a bit of tech, you're in for a treat. Now, we all know Billie Eilish, right? The powerhouse of unique voice, dark style, and innovative music. But guess what? Now you can channel your inner artist and create mind-blowing artworks inspired by Billie, thanks to the magic of artificial intelligence. Alright, before we jump into the creative process, let me tell you about the secret sauce Leonardo AI. It's this fantastic web-based AI art generator, and the best part? It's free. No need to break the bank for your artistic adventures. So, why Leonardo AI? Well, for starters, it's easy as pie. No need to be a tech wizard or an art prodigy. Just throw in a prompt and Leonardo AI does the heavy lifting. And guess what? You can even use guidance images to give it a nudge in the right creative direction. Alright, no more teasing. Let's dive in and see how you can use Leonardo AI to create your very own Billie Eilish AI art. I'll guide you through it step by step. First, head over to the Leonardo AI website and hit the Create an Account button to get started. You've got options. Sign up with your email, or take the express route with your Apple ID, Gmail, or Hotmail. It's as easy as that. Now type in the details for the image you're cooking up. Make sure your prompts are spot on and clear to get the most realistic and fitting image. Need a hand with ideas? Don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT or Bing to lend you a creative spark. Here I use the following prompt for example. Create a stunning 3D render of Billie Eilish sitting on a mushroom in a magical forest. 3D render octane. Render intricately detailed cinematic, realistic, intricate, high definition, cinematic, perfect, anatomy, centered, approaching perfection, dynamic, highly detailed, art station, concept art, soft, sharp focus, illustration, art by Karen Griffiths and Wadham Cashin. When you are done, click the Generate button. The image will be ready in a few seconds. Okay, now take a sneak peek at the Billie Eilish AI art that's just been whipped up. When you're loving what you see, hit that download icon to stash them on your computer. Boom, all there is to it. And just to get those creative juices flowing, I've got some mind-blowing examples of Billie Eilish AI art created using Leonardo AI. Prepare to be amazed. Give it a shot, create some art, and hey, share your masterpieces with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more creative adventures. Cheers!